Hello again. What I'm going to talk about today is about how many beginner and intermediate painters have a problem in actually thinking of what to paint. So my go-to scenario in this case, like for myself, has always been to paint a still life. If you can't think of anything to paint, anything sort of, you know, vitally important in your life that you want to paint, still life is a great way to practice. It develops your drawing skills and your observation skills, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, but you might not have the confidence or experience to make a setup for yourself. So what I've done in order to remedy that is produce an ebook of 12 different still life subjects with photographic references. And it's not from life, but it is from photographs. And each of these 12 photographic references has an accompanying painting done by me. Just an interpretation, my interpretation, one artist's interpretation of what this could look like. So you don't have to copy it, you can do your own thing. It's just an example for you. This ebook is a PDF, so it's compatible with any device. And of course, I'd recommend viewing it on a PC or a tablet rather than a phone. Might be too small on a phone. So the subjects, as I say, there are 12 of them, just vary between sort of like household objects arranged in a pleasing kind of way, with pleasing backgrounds, to bouquets of flowers. So you've got a little bit of choice there. There'd be typical still life subjects. The images are intentionally simple. If you see what I mean, there's like a single object. They're not a vast array of items on display that you have to paint. So it's kind of, they're quite cohesive and coherent images. And the thing about it is they all have an accompanying painting by me. 3 of them actually have links to go to YouTube videos where you can see me painting what I did from beginning to end, which is kind of a useful way for you to get some information on the approach. And the approach is always standard. I always approach these paintings in very much the same way. This way I hope to remove the barriers to practice, and you can focus on what you need to focus on, observation, drawing skills, and all that kind of thing. So the downloadable ebook is €10, and what I'm going to do now is just go through one of the books to show you what it's like. And if you look below this video, if you're interested in purchasing one of these ebooks, in fact there are 2. There's a landscape one as well. But if you are interested in one, there's a link below this video. You can see an array of different products. Okay, so here we are on the front page. I can navigate the pages through here. You probably won't have to do that because this will take up the entire display. But let's move down a second. There's the introduction there. Okay, so and then we go to the next page. Here is essentially the index page. So this shows you all of the available photographic references. Well, I'll show you this one first. There we go. There's the arrangement, the actual photographic reference, and here is my interpretation of it, with a view to making a kind of a Roderick O'Connor style painting for that one. That's the way I did that one, but you can choose any style you want. It doesn't have to be the same as I've done. Okay, so and then let me just go down a little bit. Ooh, just go down there, and if I click there, it returns back to the index page, and you can choose another one. Let's see this one. Okay, so there's the reference, the silver teapot, and the painting of it. Okay, go back up, return to the index page, and this is the last video that I made, so let's try that one there. Okay, so there's the reference, the full reference, and the video. See the video of this painting coming together. So if you just click on this, where will it take us? To YouTube. Okay, so there you go. There's the full video of this being painted, and if you can see underneath, these are the products for sale. Look, and there's the landscape ebook, painter's workbook. Okay, there you go, and we'll stop that.